In this module, you will learn about electronic configuration. During the arrangement of electrons in the shells, the outermost shell of an atom cannot accommodate more than 8 electrons, even if it has the capacity to accommodate more electrons. Generally, the outermost shell of an atom can have a maximum of 8 electrons only, even though it has the capacity to accommodate 18 electrons. This is due to the fact that having 8 electrons in the outermost shell makes an atom stable. There is an exception if the outermost shell is the first shell or K shell. The shell can hold only 2 electrons. For example, helium has only one shell in its atom. Electrons in an atom do not occupy a new shell unless all the inner shells are completely filled. The filling of electrons in an atom is a stepwise approach. First, the electrons are filled in K shell, then in L shell, M shell, N shell, and so on. There are few exceptions to this rule which are applicable to elements with an atomic number more than 18. After a series of experiments and a detailed study by scientists like Louis de Broglie, Schrödinger, Sommerfeld, etc., it was proved that shells have energy levels within them, and these are called subshells. These subshells are S, P, D, and F. Electrons are distributed in these subshells. Every subshell can accommodate a fixed number of electrons. The S subshell can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, a maximum of 6 electrons in the P subshell, 10 electrons in D, and 14 electrons in F. Electrons are distributed in their respective shells and subshells. The first energy level, K, can have one subshell, which can accommodate 2 electrons. The next shell is the L shell, which contains S and P subshells, where the S subshell accommodates 2 and P shell accommodates 6 electrons. M is the third shell and have S, P, and D subshells, which accommodates 2, 6, and 10 electrons respectively. Next is the N shell with S, P, D, and F subshells, accommodating 2, 6, 10, and 14 electrons respectively.